So you really have to use some face wash to really get the lip stain off your lips. It does stain. It works well if you're looking for a lip stain. And I had to wash each time between each lip stain to make sure I had a clean palette. The next one, I'm super excited to try this one on, is going to be the Magic Metal Transformer. This is supposed to look like metal or like paper applique, however you say it. So before I put this on, I really want to see how this one looks with some eyeshadow. So I'm gonna change the eyeshadow a little bit, and I'm gonna go with this purple. The ID of the color is E5, and it has like a little shimmer to it. It has a shimmer. So I'm gonna try this on because I want to see this one. All right, so we're gonna put it just a little bit. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. This eyeshadow palette is well pigmented. Ooh, like this.
Can you feel the holy universal burst of love? Falling into gravity, I live it in your galaxy.
I feel like I look like a parade, like the Gasparilla parade. You ever go to Tampa, Florida? I don't even know if they still do it down there. The last time I went, the Gasparilla was down in Tampa. Okay, change the eyeshadow, and we're gonna try metallic. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Oh, this wand is clear. Okay, I feel like okay, let me see. Let me not speak too soon. So this is the wand. This is the product. I guess it's so metallic, the camera isn't even picking it up. Okay, the camera isn't picking it up because I guess it's just not picking it up well. Okay, so it's actually going on translucent. That's cool. Ooh, look at that. For some reason, it's taking me back to like 1990. Janet Jackson. What was that video? She did it with her brother. She did it with Michael Jackson. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it better. So that is this. The Magic Metal. So it looks like more glitter is in the container. So that's how it looks. Okay, the next color we'll try is by Marc Jacobs. Before we put that on, I'm gonna put on a little bit of this Tarte blush. It's Tarte. So we're gonna put on a little bit of this. It's like a rosy color. So I'm just gonna take my finger and put it right below this luminizer. It's really, really light. I rarely put this on. I really only put blush for like special occasions, little events and things. I don't too much wear blush. But it's very light. You can put it on and wear it for an everyday look and for a natural look. Alright. Put on a little bit of blush.